Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a triangle and it has been divided into 4 parts such that the area of this triangle is 3 square units. The area of this triangle is 8 square units. The area of this triangle is 4 square units. We have to find the area of this quadrilateral. Consider this area as A, and if the area of this section as B and the area of this section is C, then according to ladder's theorem we can write 1 over delta, that means the area of this total triangle is delta, then 1 over delta plus 1 over this area B is equal to 1 over sum of these two area, that means A plus B plus the sum of area of these two section, this B and C, 1 over B plus C. According to ladder's theorem, we can write this expression. Consider this unknown area is x. Then total area of this triangle will be A plus B plus C plus x, or substituting this value 1 over total area of this triangle A plus B plus C, that means 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 4 is 15, and this x, that means x plus 15. This is the total area of this triangle, plus 1 over B, that means 8, is equal to 1 over A plus B. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 8. So A plus B is 3 plus 8, that means 11, plus 1 over B plus C. B is 8 and C is 4. So B plus C is 8 plus 4, that means 12. Or this 1 over x plus 15, and taking this 1 over 8 to right side, we can write here 1 over 11 plus this 1 over 12 minus this 1 over 8, or this 1 over x plus 15 is equal to, here the LCM of this 11, 12 and 8 is 11 times this 12, and to make common here 2. Now 11 divided by this 11 is cancelled, and 12 times 2 is 24, plus here this divided by this 12 will cancel and remain 11 times 2 is 22, minus here if we divided this term by 8, this 12 times 2 is 24 divided by 8 is 3, and 3 times 11 is 33. Or left side 1 over x plus 15 is equal to this 24 plus 22 minus 33. Here 22 minus 33 is negative 11, and 24 minus this 11 is 13, divided by 11 times 12 times 2, 12 times 2 is 24, and 24 times 11, this is 24 and this 24. So it will be 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, and this 2. So it will be 264. Or reversing both side, we will get x plus 15 is equal to, inverse of this is 264 over this 13, and taking this 15 to right side, we will get x is equal to this 264 over 13 minus this 15 is equal to, here this 13, and 264 minus this 13 times 15 is 195, and 264 minus 195 is 69 over this 13. So the unknown area, this is 69 over 13, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.